Okay, so I have a new planner. I had to take that video down. Thank you, Key, for that information. But this is my new planner that I got from Amazon to help me better organize my channels. Okay, I'm going to show y'all page for page. Alright, this is where you write down your information at. If you want to travel with this, you write down your information. Let me see. So we're into September. So for September, this is how it looks. And it's your monthly goals right here. And your monthly to-do right here. Your notes, you write down your notes. So this is what I will be using to write down my recipes, the seasonings that I want to use for my recipes, what type of videos that I want to do for the month or the week. This is a little mail tray, or put your paper in here. Pen holder, which I got some pretty pens, which I'm going to show you all maybe in one of my lives. So yeah, so this is how every page is made. And also like have your weekly focus. It has top priority, your follow-up, and your appointments. And also your habits/skills and habit tracker. So yeah, I like this, and plus it's my favorite color, pink. Of course, if you all didn't know that, I'm sure you all did. Yeah, and that is it. And I purchased this off of Amazon, and this is a 2025 through 26 calendar planner. So yeah, I like my purchase. So, and I thought to put this up to help other content creators out as well, so they can better organize their channels. So thank you all for watching. And also I have a new video out now that premiered today on my cooking channel. So make sure you all go cook out Let's Cook with Jazzy. And also check out my daily vlog channel, which is Jazzy's Vlog channel. Thank you all for watching. And happy Tuesday.